Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mandy and today we are back with another advent calendar unboxing. Today we have a very exciting advent and it is the one from ESPA, which is arguably my all-time favorite skincare brand. Before we start, can I please ask that if you're new here to please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell because that is the only way to be notified of all upcoming advent calendar unboxings. Today we unbox the 2022 ESPA Wellness Advent Calendar. Now this is obviously a single brand advent calendar. It has 25 days with 3 full-size products and 1 special gift. Now this is valued at over 600 Australian dollars and retails for 300 Australian dollars. However, it is actually on 50% off right now, so that is more value if you get it now. Now, when I purchased this also came with a special gift, which is the Sleep Savior set. It comes with 4 products inside, which we will unpack together after the calendar. If you haven't heard of ESPA Skincare before, you are definitely missing out. I feel like this brand doesn't have enough hype for how good their products are. Now this is a holistic beauty brand and I first discovered them when I went to Atlantis the Palm Hotel and I went to their spa and tried out their cleanser. As soon as the cleanser was on my face, I immediately asked the lady, where can I get this? And as soon as I bought this has been my favorite cleanser ever since. The packaging on this one is so classy with the snow white luxe packaging. We lift this up here and open up the doors to get a very luxurious calendar. I am mega excited to unbox this one. I missed out on last year's, so I am excited to see what this year's one has in store for us. Let's go ahead and unbox this, shall we? On the first day we have the mini pink hair and scalp mud. This is 30 mils and it's actually their intensive mineral rich treatment mask that conditions and nourishes the hair and scalp. I actually have a few of these already and I like to keep them for traveling because they are the perfect size. Now these are packed with vitamins and it's perfect for damaged and weak hair. Definitely keen to try this. On to day 2 and we have the mini Tri-Active Resilience Clarify and Fortify Scalp Serum. I am super excited to try their hair range because I haven't really delved past the skincare. So this serum is 10 mils and apparently you only need 20 drops of this to massage into your scalp. This one is also packed with seaweed that soothes and hydrates. Moving on to day 3 and we have the mini fitness bath salts. Wow, it actually smells really incredible. I can smell the eucalyptus, clove, and a hint of lavender. It's not too overpowering though. I really like it. Now I'm super into bath products and this one has sea salt, seaweed, magnesium, and oatmeal. This sounds like a beautiful blend for a relaxing bath time. Day 4 is the mini fitness shower gel. This one is 30 mils and has the same refreshing scent as the bath salts. I actually really love the light gel texture and I heard this is perfect for showers post-workout. On to day 5 and we have the mini Tri-Active Resilience Pro-Biome Moisturiser. This is 15 mils and this is actually a moisturizer that I already have and love. It's super rich in antioxidants and leaves your skin firm and nourished. Next up we have day 6 and it is the mini Super Nourish Glossing Shampoo. Now this is 50 mils and it's a super hydrating shampoo. My hair has gone through so much over the years because of the color damage and I think this is the perfect shampoo for my hair. It's got omega, vitamins and peptides, making it like a smoothie for your hair. It also smells so lovely, like a mandarin citrusy scent. Moving on to day 7 and we have the full-size Positivity Pulse Point Oil. Now this is 9 mils and it retails for 42 Australian dollars. It smells of a lovely orangey scent mixed with jasmine flowers. I don't normally like using roller balls, but this one is meant to be for positivity, so I really like that. The size is also perfect for carrying around in your purse. On day 8 we have the mini Purifying Polish. This is 55 mils and is a creamy exfoliating balm which transforms into a deeply cleansing polish. The smell on this one is quite intense. I definitely smell ginger in it. Now I love that this buffs away dead skin, leaving your skin with a luminous glow. Door number 9 is the mini Tri-Active Regenerating Treatment Oil. This is 10 mils and it's their anti-aging oil with retinol and marine actives. This one's meant to reduce the appearance of fine lines and I love that it also protects the skin's natural barrier. Day number 10 is the mini Regenerating Bioretinol Sleeping Serum. Now this one is 10 mils and it's an overnight brightening serum that helps with regeneration. Not only is your skin chemically exfoliated, it also leaves a rejuvenated, even toned and glass skin-like finish. This one sounds super promising and I'm actually excited because it helps with the appearance of pores too. Now this is the first time I've heard of sleeping serum, but if it does all that, hey, I'm in. On to day 11 and we have the Mini Triactive Regenerating, Define and Tighten Serum. Now this is 30 mils and this serum will make your skin feel firmer, tighter and more defined. Now this is actually a body serum and I've never tried a body serum before. And I do wish it came in a bigger size considering it's for the body. This one has the good stuff including plant stem cells, retinol, jojoba oil, essential oils and more. Definitely excited to try this one. Next we have day 12 and it's a mini energizing bath and body oil. Now this is 15 mils and it's actually a pretty cool product. This can be used as a bath soak, also used as a massage oil or directly on pulse points. It's a super versatile product that contains pure essential oils, avocado, almond and soybean oils, as well as being rich in omega 6 and 9. The scent is also super beautiful. It contains peppermint, eucalyptus, and rosemary. Moving on to day 13 and we have the Mini Nourishing Conditioner. This is a matching set to the shampoo that we got on day 6. Now you know how I feel about having shampoo and conditioner separated on 2 days, especially if they're not full size. So I definitely do wish this came in a bigger size. This one is deeply nourishing. It's 50 mils and contains coconut, jojoba, and olive oils. On to day 14 and we have the Mini Optimal Skin Pro Serum. Now the Optimal Skin Pro range is something that works really well for my skin. This is a serum that I've actually tried and love, and it's very nutrient rich and makes your skin glow. It also smells really nice. This one has jasmine and tangerine scent. Just like most ESPA products, this one is packed with vitamins and omegas. Now this is 10 mils and it's probably my favorite range from ESPA. Day 15 is the Winter Spice Scented Ceramic Ornament. Okay, I'm officially in love. This is their Christmas Spice scent, which is a beautiful blend of orange, clove, cinnamon, and ginger. It basically smells beautiful and festive. This is definitely going on the tree. I love the ESPA logo and the smell will add to the Christmas spirit. Next we have day 16 and it's the Mini Restorative Bath and Body Oil. Another lovely scented oil, and this one smells of a beautiful rose, orange, and lavender. Similar to the Energizing body oil, this also has pure essential oils, avocado, almond, and soybean oils, as well as being rich in omega 6 and 9. Day 17 is the full-size Deep Puff and Soothe Eye Gel. Now this is 15 mils and retails for 84 Australian dollars. This is a very soothing and cooling and refreshing eye gel. Now my eyes are always super puffy, so I think I definitely need this one. It's got chamomile, cucumber, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin E, making it super soothing and hydrating. On to day 18, and it's the Mini Isotonic Hydration Mask. Now this is a mask that is supposed to deliver instant hydration. It will feel like a cocktail of goodness for your face because it's packed with minerals, electrolytes, and hyaluronic acid. This one smells like a fresh mandarin and it revitalizes dull and dry skin. We are up to day 19 and it's the full-size Nourishing Lip Treatment. This is so lush, it's a beautiful hydrating oil for the lips. This one is 5 mils and retails for 36 Australian dollars. Now it's got hyaluronic acid, which we love. Moving on to day 20 and we have the Mini Yuzu and Ginger Cleansing Sorbet. Now this is actually a cleanser. It's 15 mils and it contains ginger, yuzu, and mango. It's a unique sorbet texture, which is really cool. So it starts off like a jelly and then melts into an oil consistency. This one obviously smells like yuzu and it's also doubling as a great makeup remover. Next is day 21 and we have the Mini Refining Skin Polish. Now this is 15 mils and it's their famous brightening exfoliator. I love that this is a deep cleansing, super fine exfoliator, leaving your skin refined and smooth. I'm always in love with exfoliators that really deeply clean the pores, and this is definitely one of them. I also love the fact that this is really balanced out, so it keeps your skin hydrated because it has the shea butter ingredient. We are up to day 22 and it's the Mini Muscle Rescue Balm. This is a lovely soothing balm which is perfect for tired muscles. This one is 15 mils and it smells of eucalyptus, clove, and peppermint. Now, this is perfect for using after exercise. On day 23, we have the Mini Optimal Skin Pro Cleanser. This cleanser is what started it all for me. Now, when I tried this for the first time, and I guarantee you, if you try it, you will too absolutely fall in love with this product. This is a cleanser that is an enzyme cleanser, exfoliator, and mask. I also love the fact that the beads that exfoliate are gentle enough to use daily. It also features pumpkin enzymes and gentle jojoba bubbles that exfoliate but then dissolve into oils, which is why this isn't a harsh exfoliant. Did I also mention that this is packed with potent vitamins, omegas, and it smells incredible. This one is 50 mils, but I definitely wish it came in a bigger size. Second last day, and it's the Mini Restful Pillow Mist. Now this is 12 mils, and even though it's a pillow mist, apparently you can spray it on your body too. It contains lavender, sage, and eucalyptus, which all aid with sleeping. I'm not a super fan of lavender, so I find this personally too strong for me. Last but not least, we have day 25, which is the Winter Spice Candle. Now this is the same scent as the ornament. I really love the festive scent on this one, and I'll never say no to a candle. So as I mentioned earlier, this is the Sleep Saviors set that we got as a gift with this purchase. It includes 4 products, which is the Tri-Active Resilience Rest and Recovery Night Balm, the Grounding Crystals, the Tri-Active Regenerating Bioretinol Sleeping Serum, and another pink hair and scalp mud. So this is the 2022 ESPA Wellness Advent Calendar. What did we think of this year's box? Let me know in the comments below. Personally, for me, I am super biased about ESPA because this is one of my favorite brands for skincare. And I actually really enjoyed this unboxing so much because I love the brand so much. Now, of course, I do wish that they had more bigger sizes in the products in the Advent, but that's probably my only comment. And overall, I really still enjoyed this Advent. And this is probably one of my favorite ones for this year. If you're an ESPA lover like myself, or you want to discover the beautiful range from this brand, I will leave a link below on where you can get it. It's also now 50% off, so don't wait around and don't miss out. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!